This is our project. We are going to install iron fence with concrete boards and posts. Red line shows the borders of front yard and where iron fence will be installed. Iron fence is installed on concrete boards and concrete posts. We had to cut concrete board in half for short railing. We are going to cut concrete board with titan angle grinder. We use Erbauer diamond disc because it cut concrete better than masonry disc. The size of board and railing is equal. That's why we shouldn't cut a board. Rubber doorstop was used as a washers between railing and post. It could be easy to cut to specific size. As well, we have to bend and saw one railing fence to make a corner. Railing was bent in 2 points. One part of railing was shortened. To fix the railing corner, we threaded a hole with the top and affixed with triangle metal plate. Attach to the corner and screw it. Then we saw the railing to make a second corner. We painted with Hammerite to prevent rust in attachment point and applied epoxy putty to fill the gaps in the corners. As the welding points rusted in 1 week, we had to paint it with Hammerite. Apply sufficient paint to fill the gap. We have used 2 types of iron railing for our project. Length of short iron railing is more than 1 meter, and it took to cut half of concrete board. Length of thick railing is the same as a board size. A railing fixed to the concrete with these fittings. These fittings made of mild steel, and it will rust within some times. Like this. These washers was supplied with fittings and it rust in 1 week. Let's show the scheme of fence and fittings, how it fits to each other. If you're gonna use standard fittings for this fence, you have to choose right distance between posts. Take into account length of railing and length of fittings. You have to choose right distance to screw it. That's why we choose another fittings, drop-in and core. Let's show you how install drop-in and core. You have to put an core into concrete and then hammer it. Here what we have. It expands into concrete. We have used a timber to define exact place where to install drop-in and core into concrete fence post. And then attach this timber to the concrete fence posts. And then drill the holes. As the core expands into concrete, hole should have big diameter, 11-20 mm. Otherwise concrete posts will crack. We expand hole with gentle drilling. And now you can hammer, drop-in and core into concrete. can apply some epoxy putty or glue to fix and core into holes. Take into account extendable part of encore when drilling hole in depth. Instead of dropping encore, it could be applied wall plugs with screws. We dig a trench for concrete fence boards, and then align the bottom of the trench with the spirit level. We have used a heavy-duty hand trolley to put concrete boards into trench. It weighed more than 40 kilograms. We advise don't throw away lawn turf. Some of them you have to give it back. While you're working, cover the lawn turf with plastic and water in, not to let it dry. We used auger to dig out post foley. It would dig about 40–60 centimeters in depth. Height of fence post above the ground is about 70 centimeters. Fence posts and boards should be concreted into the ground. It took a couple of days, and then gap could be filled with the soil. Then give the lawn turf back. This is final look of our front garden railing fence. We have used a rubber doorstep between posts and fence railing. Our corner was painted with hammerite and color a few differ from road fence railing. Standard height of concrete fence post is about 230 millimeters. We cut it in half. 40 or 50 centimeters of posts should be set up below ground. Instead of railing fence, you could use wood fence panel